When I lay my eyes upon a piece of perfectly fried chicken, my mind is transported to a realm of intricate contemplation. It's as if this humble dish holds the key to a universe of questions and musings, pulling me into a labyrinth of overthinking. At a glance, it appears to be a straightforward delight, a crispy outer layer enveloping tender, succulent meat. Yet, as I delve deeper, a cascade of inquiries floods my thoughts. How was this chicken prepared? Was it marinated in a secret blend of spices or dipped in a signature batter? What cooking technique was employed to achieve that irresistible crunch on the outside while preserving the juiciness within? The origin of the chicken itself becomes a puzzle to solve. Where did it come from? Was it raised in an industrial farm? Or was it given the space to roam freely? Did it live a life under humane conditions or experience the harsh realities of factory farming? Then, there's the oil in which it was fried. What kind of oil was used? Was it freshly changed or a blend of numerous fryings? How often is the oil replaced to ensure a safe and healthy meal? Serving size takes on a whole new dimension of contemplation. Is this piece of fried chicken part of a balanced meal? Or does it mark the beginning of an indulgence that might spiral into unhealthy choices? How does portion control align with my nutritional goals and well-being? And let's not forget about the sides that accompany the fried chicken: creamy mashed potatoes, buttery biscuits, and perhaps a tangy slaw. Each side dish presents a fork in the road, leading me to consider the nutritional impact of my choices. Ethical concerns arise too. What about the welfare of the chickens? Were they treated with respect during their lives, or were they subjected to harsh conditions? How does my consumption of this dish align with my values of ethical and sustainable eating? As I navigate this intricate maze of thoughts, I realize that a simple piece of fried chicken is far from simple. It's a portal into a world of culinary techniques, sourcing considerations, health implications, ethical dilemmas, and more. Each bite carries the weight of countless decisions made in its creation, a reflection of the complex interplay between taste, ethics, and nutrition. So, the next time you find yourself face to face with a piece of fried chicken, take a moment to embrace the layers of contemplation it invites. From the choice of spices to the source of the meat, every element contributes to a narrative that's much richer than it appears. It's a reminder that even the most ordinary of meals can spark extraordinary reflections.